Welcome, my name is a Realme 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this device. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, go to the second page, and you'll find the screen recorder toggle right over here. So you can either tap on it to immediately start recording. So let's continue, agree, let's allow everything. So once you tap on it, it will give you this little panel right here where you can start recording by tapping on the red circle. Then you can access the settings by tapping on the second one and close it completely by tapping on the next. Now you can also hold the icon itself, meaning this one, and this will take you to these settings as well. So this is another way of accessing the settings apart from this toggle right here. Now, while we're already in the settings, I'm gonna close this off for now and go over them quickly. So number one, we have record sound system and record microphone sound. So you can record both of the sounds, which is really nice. Although if you're planning to do so, do use headphones for this. Otherwise you'll get an unwanted echo effect where basically the microphone will pick up the speaker second time around, creating not very desirable sounding effect. Now going down, we have video resolution, so it's set to medium by default for some reason, but we can max it out by going into the high 1080p with 16 megabits per second. Now this is the highest it can go. If you tap on custom, as you can see, 16 and 1080p is the max you can achieve. Then if we leave here, we have the frame rate, which is set to dynamic. Real good benefit, at least with this one, compared to the Realme 8, is the fact that right now we do have here a support for 60 frames, which is something that the Realme 8 didn't have, the non-pro version of it. So if you're not sure what this is, I'm just gonna put it this way. If you're planning to record gameplays, 60, and there is no questions about it, just 60 and no other option. If you're planning to record something like I am doing right now, but instead of having an overhead camera, you're planning to just record the screen itself as an informative kind of tutorial on a phone, you can get away with 30 frames, maybe even 24, but I would strongly discourage you from going anywhere below that. 15 shouldn't even be here in my opinion. It's just such a low frame rate that it's gonna be nauseating to watch. So anyway, outside of that, we also have the video coding. I'll keep it as it is. We also have the option to enable the front-facing camera. So if you do so, it will use the selfie cam to add a little overlay to the recording and show you what the camera sees. So you can include that if you want, or not, depending on what you want. And once you went through all the settings right here and you set it all up the way you want it, leave this area and simply tap on the toggle and tap on the red circle, and this will start recording. As you can see, there is the selfie cam, as you can see here. You can also move this around if you want to. And overall, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the phone. So as you can see, just kind of messing around just so there's something to show off. And once you're done with the recording, you can tap right here, bring this extended, and tap on the square to stop recording. And once you have finished the recording, stopped it, the recording will automatically get saved to your device, and you can easily find it in your photo gallery. So I'm just going to open up Photos. While I do so, I'm also going to mute the device. Here we go. And you can see it right here. Now it is under camera category for some reason, but anyway, let's just tap on it and you can see the recording right now. So I'm going to let it play out a little bit. Now I did mute it so there is no sound, otherwise I believe you would be hearing me, or maybe not. But yeah, this is basically the screen recording and how you can use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.